Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking for a simple yet powerful way to trade the market, then this 1 hour price action trading strategy, this 1 hour price action trading strategy is exactly what you need. Okay, no indicators, no unnecessary complexity, just pure price movement. Okay, key levels and precise trade setups. Now, before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new trading strategy. Okay. Now, price action trading is all about analyzing market movement without relying on indicators. So instead of lagging signals, we use real-time price behavior to make trading decisions. This is why professional traders prefer price action over clustered or cluttered charts. Now, by focusing on price movement, we can identify strong support and resistance levels, right? We can identify strong support and resistance levels. We can spot high probability trade setups, and we can read candlestick formations for precise entries, right? I read candlestick formations for precise entries. Now, the 1 hour time frame is perfect because it gives you a balance between accuracy and efficiency. Okay, it filters out lower time frame noise while still allowing multiple trade opportunities per session. Now, let's just break down the key elements of this strategy. To trade this strategy effectively, you need to focus on three main elements. The first is identifying key support and resistance levels. Okay, so mark the most relevant support and resistance zones on the 1 hour chart. Okay, just look out for the most relevant ones and mark them out on your chart. These levels act as decision points where price is likely to react. Okay, look for areas where price has previously reversed multiple times. All right, you can see, you can just scroll your chart, backwards and check for levels where price has reacted multiple times, and then you mark those levels. Okay, then secondly, your candlestick confirmation for entries. Not every bounce or break is a trade setup. Okay, you need confirmation from candlestick patterns. All right, you can use candlestick patterns like pin bars. All right, the pin bars is a popular candlestick pattern. A pattern that has a long wick rejecting a level, like what we can see happen here. A long wick rejecting a level signals strong reversal potential. And then you can also look for engulfing patterns. You can see what we had here, this bullish engulfing that swallowed up the previous bearish candle. All right, it's when a larger candle fully covers the previous one. Okay, and that shows momentum shift. Okay, and then finally you can look out for doji, right? Doji candlestick patterns. All right, doji is a pattern that shows indecision in the market. Okay, it's usually a pattern with a small body and then wicks, all right, above and below. So it shows indecision in the market, and it often appears before a strong move. All right, now it's important for you to also time your entries and manage your risk. So wait for price to react at key levels and then confirm with a strong candlestick pattern before entering. All right, it is important. And then use a stop loss just beyond the last swing low if it is a buy trade, or beyond the last swing high if it is a sell trade. Okay, then you aim for a risk to reward ratio of at least 1:2 to maximize your trade efficiency. All right, so if you are risking $1, your potential profit target should be at least $2. Okay, so that's a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Now let's just walk through a step-by-step trade setup. Here's exactly how you can execute this 1 hour price action trading strategy. The first thing for you to do is to identify key levels. All right, you mark your strong support and resistance levels on your chart. All right, you mark those levels on your chart. Then you look for previous price reactions at these levels to confirm their strength. Okay, secondly, you wait for price to reach a key level. Price has to get to that level and that support or resistance zone. However, avoid entering too early. Okay, let the market show its hand first. All right, look out for confirmation candlesticks. For example, you can see here we had this. Remember that trend lines are used to identify dynamic support and resistance levels. So in addition to your horizontal zones, also plot your trend lines, right? So we can see that we had a pin bar, we had a rejection candle here. You can see that this rejection candle shows that there is actually bullish momentum, right? So you can consider entering a buy trade as price has already broken beyond this particular resistance that we have here, and you can see how price was rejected from this support, this trend line support. So always make sure you get your candlestick confirmation. Okay, a strong rejection confirms that buyers or sellers are stepping in. Then you can enter your trade once you have your confirmation. Okay, in the direction of the rejection, you can enter your trade. For a bullish trade, you can buy around support zone. For a bearish trade, you can sell around the resistance zone. Okay, after a rejection. Then for your stop loss and take profits, ensure to set your stop loss beyond the previous swing high for a sell trade, all right, and beyond the previous swing low for a buy trade. Okay, it's important to set your stop loss appropriately. It is very important. And then you target a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, or you can use higher, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, depending on market conditions. Okay, following this structured approach helps keep your trading disciplined and consistent. Now, even the best strategies fail if you make these common mistakes, which I'm about to list out now. The first being entering too early. That's the reason why you have to always wait for a full candlestick confirmation before you jump in. Okay, and do not ignore market context. That's another mistake. Always check higher time frames to confirm. Okay, you can go to your 4 hours, you can go to your daily. Okay, just to confirm that your trade setup aligns with the bigger trend, and you can get back to your 1 hour chart and execute your trades. All right, once you've gotten your confirmation of the higher time frames, then do not over trade. Okay, stick to high quality setups instead of forcing trades, and do not neglect risk management. Okay, every trade should have a stop loss and a clear exit plan. Okay, avoiding these mistakes will dramatically improve your success rate. Now you have a complete 1 hour price action trading strategy that you can start using right away. Focus on clean charts, key levels, and strong confirmations. Okay, and you'll be trading with clarity and confidence. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more expert trading strategies, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Drop a comment below. What is your favorite price action trading setup? Let us discuss. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.